Hey everybody, it's Brian. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to fill out the timesheets for you to get paid. One of the things I wanted to point out quickly though is there are 3 separate timesheets. So if you're listening to this video, it is not, I repeat, not for Federal Work Study or Green to Gold. This is if you're an RA and you're trying to figure out how to get paid for that time period from the end of August as well as moving forward. One of the great things about this spreadsheet that's pretty easy is you're going to go up here to the month that you are looking to fill out. You're going to type in 8 for the date and then 2 for the pay period. And as you click over here, what you'll notice down below is it changes the fields to match the time period you're looking to submit. So the big thing is that you need to be familiar with your schedule and what you're working on. Now up here, the first thing that all of you will fill out is your information, last name, first name, middle, student ID, and department's residence life. Then you're going to start populating the fields. So if you're using this timesheet, we know that we're looking initially to get paid for the time period from the 23rd to September 2nd. So the first 2 columns are really your morning hours. The second 2 columns are your afternoon, which is defined by 12 noon to 12 midnight. And then your last 2 columns are your early morning hours, the 8:75 column. So that's going to be 12 midnight to 8 a.m. So if you worked on the 23rd, you're going to populate in that morning 8 o'clock and you work till 10. You'll see the spreadsheet automatically updates 2 hours to give you for your day. And then if you worked the next day, Wednesday the 24th, and your schedule was 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and you worked till 4, you would just plug in your hours there. The spreadsheet's going to keep track of all the hours that you worked, and again, the first timesheet all RAs want to submit is this style for those dates from the 23rd through the 2nd. You'll populate all of your hours worked. You must print your timesheet. So once you've completed this, you'll see your totals. You'll print your timesheet and you'll sign it and then notify myself, and I will make sure that I pick it up, sign and date, and drop it off to be paid. So those are the big things I want all of you to be aware of. That should give you the timesheets that you need. After you do your August time, you're going to go back up here, and moving forward, you're just going to select the time period you want to get paid. Remember, the spreadsheets are set up to track every 2 weeks. So when you start in September, you'll go 1 for the first day of the month through the 15th day of the month, and then 2 for the 16th day to the end of the month. If you have any questions, give me a call, but this should give you some insight on how to fill out the form as we move forward.